Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will going to learn how you can install or download Java in your Windows. So without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, we will go to our favorite browser and then we will search for JDK. And then we will come over these Java download options. Just click on it. And here we will get down and find three operating options called Linux, macOS, and Windows. So we will click on Windows and go for the x64 MSI installer. Just click on it. And then here you will get the installations interface, or it's downloading. Here you can see. Now we just have to wait for a couple of seconds. So here you can see the installation is completed. Now we will click on it. And now we'll click on it and minimize it. And here you can see the installation is setting up. We have to click next. And we need to change it. So we'll just click on next. And after that, here you can see the installation status is running right now. So now we have to wait some time for installing it. Just click on yes. So here you can see the installation is successfully installed. Here you can see Java TMAC development kit 22 64-bit successfully installed. So now we'll just click close. And now we have to do or create a path for Java. For that reason, we need to go for the search options and write for environment. Click on it, and after that, we need to select advanced and the environment variables. After that, we have to looking for system variables. Here you can see, and now we need to find. So click edit, and then we just have to click a new path over here. For selecting the path, now we have to go to these PC options and go for local disk C. I'll search for program files over here. And here you will get Java over here. Click on it. And click on JDK 22. Click bin. And then go for these options and select all. Control C. And then new paste. You can, if you want, then you can remove bin over here and click OK. So now your path is created. Now we will check it out from CMD. Come over the search option and search for CMD. Click on CMD prompt. And then we will write in Java over here, space -- version. I click enter. And now here you can see you successfully installed this Java 22. Here you can see the date over here, and also the system is running. So this is how you can install the Java in your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in another video. Till then, goodbye.